How to apply sensitivity code in PubG Mobile. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will learn how we can apply sensitivity code in PubG Mobile, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to apply sensitivity code in PubG Mobile, open up the PubG Mobile and tap the arrow icon from the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then from here, from the top right hand side, you want to simply go to the option called Settings. From Settings on the right hand side, go to the option called Sensitivity, and from Sensitivity, from the bottom of the screen next to Cloud Management, right? So you can see here under Cloud Management, beside it, you can see a small search bar or the search icon. So you have to tap on the search icon, and here it says enter the cloud layout share code. So all you have to do is just simply type or paste your specific sensitivity code into the search box, and then select apply or use layout to save it to your profile. This way you can go ahead and then apply sensitivity code in PubG Mobile. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.